Hello everyone, Nancy here. Today, I will be demonstrating a face scan with visible teeth using our new Uni Face Scanner. This latest model uses infrared technology, which is much gentler on the eyes compared to traditional white lights. You can choose to scan with or without the light on, depending on your environment. Since the lighting in our office isn't ideal, I've turned the light on for this scan. As you'll see in the video, even with the light on, it's not harsh or glaring like typical LED lights, making it more comfortable for the person being scanned. To better capture detailed data of the teeth, we can hold the scanner horizontally when scanning the mouth area. Now we finish the scan, we can mesh it. To save time, for the default setting, it would auto-create file monochrome version. It seems there are too much noise on the teeth. What can we do? Just change the value of resolution higher to 0.35 and remesh it. To achieve better teeth data, we can apply scanning spray on the teeth and ensure the ambient lighting is brighter and more even. This is the final data we get. If you are still not satisfied the teeth data, you can change the value of the resolution and remesh it. If we need colorful data, we can choose color mesh and remesh it.